first. Why am I showing them the outside? This is the outside of my room. Me and my mom painted this just for this video. Just kidding, we're not that extra. Insert a small clip of us painting this. These are my lovely windows and my lovely plants that are still alive. Hello. The bug just went on my nose. I'm not ready. No. Get on in here, you turd face. You guys dying to come in here? I'm ready now. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Katie and welcome to my crib. Disclaimer, this is not exactly how I want to decorate my room, but I do not want to pour a bunch of money into my room because I'm going to be in college and I'd rather spend my money on dorm supplies than my room at home, which I won't even be living in. So this is how my room has looked for quite some time, and it is going to stay this way quite some time. But let's get on into it. First, we are going to start right here where you walk in. Got this little heart sticker. I put that on when I was in 3rd grade and it is going to stay there. Then we got this cute little painting that I DIY'd myself off of Pinterest. Don't you dare stop that video. I did this in 2015. I was a real artist back in my day. This is my cross. Sadly it's actually broken, so we do not touch that because it will fall down and my mom will be very angry with me. And then we have this lovely flower bouquet. It is on display because whenever the bride throws the flowers over her head and then like all the girls get to catch it and all that, I was the lucky lady that caught this. It actually makes me quite sad because Corwin still hasn't proposed to me, but it's fine, whatever. Just kidding, I don't want to get married to him anyways. I'm just kidding. Moving on to this side, I actually really love this. It looks very aesthetic. And so I got my floppy hat right here. Pretty sure I got this from Target. So that's just on display. Sometimes I wear it, sometimes I don't. Backpack, my best friend Ryan actually got me this for my birthday, and it's very cute. I keep it right there. This little stand beside my vanity is just a little nightstand thing. I got it at Hobby Lobby. This little vase and some flowers on it is from Hobby Lobby also. I keep my sunglasses there. Moving on to this. I don't know where this is from. It's just furniture that is at my house. My parents have given me to use and they won't let me get anything new because they're meanie heads. I have all of my makeup on display. This is probably from Walmart. It doesn't light up, which is kind of sad, but that is why I have my lovely lamp here. My mom actually bought this for me, so I don't know where she got that. This lovely little picture frame wire rack that hangs up all my pictures is from Hobby Lobby. This is a little nice graduation ticket to see my boyfriend graduate. About time. Moving on to right here. This is my little coronavirus mask. My mom made this for me. I picked out the fabric. I haven't worn this yet, but I'm sure I'm going to have to in the future. I keep it right there. I just threw that up there the other day, so. Right here is just my little box of scrunchies. This is my little basket of scrunchies. And this is my trash can. I finally emptied it out the other day. It had like 2 garbage bags full of trash in it. A mirror that I got from Walmart. It used to be pink back in my prime. And I hated the color pink, so I painted it white, so that's why it's all streaky. This is my huge TV. So big. It's huge. That TV is huge. Jesus, I'm tired. Moving on. These are hats that I keep right here by my mirror. I have nowhere else to put them. This is my little cute basket of socks. Love this little area right here. Here we have an amazing drawing of myself that my best friend Ryan did. She's honestly an artist. This is literally perfection. I love this. I will keep this for the rest of my life. I love this so much. Thank you, Ryan. My boyfriend Corwin gave to me. It is super cute. He always says this to me. This is our favorite picture of ourselves. So I think that is so cute. I actually made this little windowsill thing myself. I got this window from an old house that was falling down, fixed it up, put this nice shelf on, put some mirrors on it, hung it up, and voila. All these little fake succulent plants are from Target. This is from Corwin. I actually ate a lot of these chocolate out of here, so I had to restock it. Here I have a bunch of little candles. Drew's mom Sherry gave me this one. This one I got for graduation. This one I've always had, so I don't know where it's from. A bunch of empty perfume bottles for decoration. This has my name engraved on it. It says Katie. Has all my expensive jewelry in it. My mom gave it to me for 8th grade graduation. This is my little Polaroid film. This is my Polaroid. This is my Polaroid printer, so I can like hook my phone up to it and print any Polaroid picture I want. Super handy, super cool. It's called Kiipix, Kiipix. Super handy. You should get one. I got it off Amazon. My dresser, as I said before, I have no idea where it's from. It is very old. My parents will not let me get a new one, which I don't really want a new one because this one's cool. I keep all my fancy lotions and perfumes and stuff in there. This poster I got from Redbubble. This picture ladder, I DIY'd this myself too. It was just an old ladder. I painted it white, put some chicken wire around it, hung some cool pictures. This was not always here. This was just from college and I needed a place to put it, so that's where it went. It's my planner. Over here is my little Polaroid wall. I want to hang up some more, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. These are my windows. My bed. My comforter. I actually do not remember where I got this comforter. I want to say like Target or something. It's kind of cheap. It's kind of falling apart. I kind of need a new one, but probably won't get one. And I keep my charger right here so I can lay in my bed and charge my phone. Then I DIY'd these coasters. I just put like scrapbook paper on them and Mod Podged it all together. Put cute little rhinestones. Oh, that's dusty. Oh, I need a dust. This is my TV remote for my amazingly large TV. This is my jewelry box. It says Katie's favorite things on it. I got it for Christmas one year. These are my blue light glasses. This is my art journal. I absolutely love my art journal. And when I get more pages done, I might do a video on it. And this is my plant family. This plant's name is Willard. This plant's name is Kimpy. And I haven't named this one yet because this one's new to the family. And it has tinfoil on it because I don't have a plate to keep the water from going everywhere, so it's tinfoil for now. And down here is just another Rubbermaid with a bunch of essentials. Corwin, you're not supposed to look at that. Yes, I'm making Corwin a little journal, and yeah, so cute. Tissue box. This is my camera bag. Stereo here. These are all my blankets. This is my computer case. My little wireless headphones. So when I actually work out, I use those. And then finally, my favorite part of the room is this wall. I absolutely love this wall. This is my favorite part of my room. This tapestry is from Redbubble. It fits just perfectly right there. And for this wall, these are all like little flowers that I bought from Hobby Lobby, and then I just taped them up there. This poster is also from Redbubble. So that's that flower wall. It just fits so nicely with this theme. And this bench, let me tell you something about this bench. It wasn't always a bench. Backboard right here used to be the footboard to my bed over there. It used to sit right here. But one Thanksgiving, I was putting up these lights actually. I thought it'd be fun to just, you know, fall onto my bed like that. It was Thanksgiving, keep that in mind. And then crack! My footboard broke off my bed. Probably because I ate too much. We don't need to talk about that. It broke and my mom was super sad because that bed is literally from like the 1800s. So I called up my super cool boyfriend real swift and I was like,
"Hey guys, you think you can make me a bench out of my footboard?"
And he was like,
"Sure, I can do that."
And then voila! Got myself a sick bench. All these cute little pillows right here. My mom sewed up. I picked out all this fabric, but she did all the work. So thanks, Mama Chris. To this side, this is my closet. If you want to see more of my closet and my clothes, make sure you check out my video, Guys Choose My Outfits. It's super funny. It stars Corwin and Brad choosing out my outfits. So if you haven't seen that, go check that out. And the last thing I have for this room tour is my wall of medals and awards and trophies. Not trying to flex. I actually do not like all this stuff displayed anymore. Like, this is my high school. It's in the past. I'm gonna be moving on to my sophomore year of college. Probably just pack all these up in a tub and throw them in a closet and never look at them again. And I don't really want to do that yet, so this is where they're just going to stay for now. I do kind of want to take these down and do something else to my room, but yet again, I do not want to spend money on this room because I'm not going to be living here in a couple months. This is my ugly face. I don't know why this is right here. That completes my room tour 2020. That concludes the end of my 2020 room tour. Make sure that you like and subscribe down below, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.